One of the great things about Microsoft 365 Business Central is that it comes with just about everything you need to conduct business successfully. However, that leads to one of its drawbacks. There are so many features available. Because of that, you may not be taking full advantage of the power of Business Central. Here are 5 features that you might not be aware of or know how to best use. 1. Personalized Workspace. Users can personalize their role center, the introduction page they see when they log into the platform. They can also rearrange their workspaces by adding, moving, or hiding things like fields, columns, or entire parts of a page. Your Role Center home screen may have multiple parts focused on different processes. You can click and drag parts to different positions to help you work the way that works best for you. 2. Create views. If there's a filter you like to frequently use on a list, Business Central lets you save that filter as a view for future use. Whenever you create a filter, make sure to save it as a view and give it a name. You can rename or remove views as needed. 3. Migrating financial data. Business Central makes it easy to migrate financial information about vendors, inventory, customers, and more from an existing finance system. You can easily do this from your Role Center. It's important to use a supported file format for this, like Microsoft Excel or QuickBooks. If you're using an unsupported file format, you may need to convert it first. Business Central also offers templates for things like Excel files for you to use, streamlining the import process and ensuring nothing gets missed. 4. AI Insights and Workflows. The artificial intelligence embedded directly in Dynamics 365 Business Central reduces the time your team needs to spend on data analysis. For instance, the AI can take all information you've captured about your customers and immediately generate insights based on their behaviors. This will help you improve your customer experience. Take advantage of pre-built AI models included in Business Central to do things like predict churn, recommend new audience segments, identify potential late payments, make sales forecasts, and more. 5. Turning reports into dashboards. Do you have a report that delivers everything you need? Business Central makes it easy to transform it into a new dashboard, so you can view that information right from within your workspace. Just copy the URL of the desired report, go to your dashboard's Edit screen, add an iframe to your dashboard, and paste in the URL for the report. Then, publish your new dashboard. If you want further tips on how to use these 5 hidden features in Dynamics Business Central, don't forget to download our free IES ebook at the link in the description. Or contact IES for a free consultation on how to make your Business Central subscription shine.